In other news, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. inspected the newly opened Brain and Spine Center at the Cagayan Valley Medical Center in Tuguegarao City, the first specialized facility of its kind in the region. The center is expected to bring advanced neurological and spinal care closer to residents, reducing the need to travel to Manila for treatment. The chief executive said the government is pushing to establish more specialty hospitals in the provinces to improve access to health services. He also affirmed that basic services under these facilities will be covered by zero balance billing.
Yung iba doon hindi na umabot sa ospital at sayang naman yung buhay nila at kung may ospital lang ay baka nabuhay pa. Inutos ko sa kanila, matuto na tayo, maglagay tayo ng specialty center sa iba't ibang lugar. Para naman, kapag may sakit at kailangan mapunta sa isang specialty center, ay hindi pa kailangan lumipad pa